Good afternoon. My name is Andrew De Jesus. I am the CEO of PJ Chonburi Parawood Company. Our business, PJ Chonburi Parawood, is Thailand's largest wood furniture exporter. We provide sustainable home and living solutions to every home around the world, and we partner with the world's global retailers such as Walmart, IKEA, Amazon to be their distribution partner. So first of all, our mission as a company is to provide every home around the world sustainable home and living solutions. Today it is furniture, but tomorrow we are looking at further value addition in terms of our raw materials. For example, making building materials, cross-laminated timbers that will provide more sustainable building materials in the world. How we see this, there are three things that we have to do. We have to expand the value that we give to the customer through better cost, quality. We have to make sure that we give the customer option. And number three is we have to make sure that we provide sustainability. And then overall, to encapsulate all of this is we need to be able to digitize the company. So how does digitalization will help us? First thing that is very important is how we can react to the customer request with speed. The only way that we can do this is if we can have the correct information and have the right information at the right time to be able to take action towards what's happening in the market. Another challenge that we see in the digital era is that there are so many new things that is happening around the world. For example, today, the hottest topic is what we call artificial intelligence. So as a company, we have to make sure that we are investing in new technologies, for example, in SAP Cloud, to make sure that we are always competitive and ahead of the game. We'll be the one to take over and get more market share and be able to provide the best cost value to our customers. We evaluated several providers, of course, as part of our ongoing process in getting provider for SAP on cloud. At first touch, we were very impressed in what Nexus have given us during their presentation. The framework and the team gave us a good impression that they will be long-term partners towards our business. Every time we evaluate a partner, the most important priority in our framework is to have a partner who will understand us and be able to work with us in the long term. And that's the primary thing that we saw in Nexus. Of course, other than the professional team, other than the good framework that they have shown us, and also they have also given us an option to be able to go beyond SAP Cloud and be able to use it for more hands-on operational implementation in our factory. One of the main objectives that we have in investing in S4HANA is to make sure that the team that works with us will focus on the value-added work instead of doing basic low-level operation. We want to equip them with the correct information so that they will all be empowered to take decision and action in their everyday work. So that's the top-level priority that we have. That's why we invested in S4HANA Cloud. Another thing that we think is us as management is we always need to have the right information at the right time to be able to make the correct decisions and adjustments in our day-to-day operation. As a matter of fact, our goal really is to know what's happening every second in our operations, to be able to control our cost, quality, and make sure that we offer value to our customers. The world is changing very fast. Our customers are requiring us to react faster and faster, and even with more accuracy, and always to have the best cost. And the only way we can cope up with this is if we would always have an open mind and see what technology is out there. One thing that we're really excited about is what everyone is normally excited about is artificial intelligence. We think this will be a game changer in how we could add value in both sides, in both our people and to the customer. One quick example could be is that as a company, e-commerce is one of the main channels. We work with the largest e-commerce company, for example, like Amazon. We are their private label provider. We have thousands of reviews about our products, and we can utilize artificial intelligence to be able to narrow down information from these thousands of reviews to be able to translate it into actionable changes in our manufacturing operations.
Nexus, your partner in business transformation.